So tonight, Unshakeable Susan Smith is preparing baked spaghetti from the Six Sisters Stuff program. And it calls for me to cook my spaghetti noodles ahead of time, which I've done. And right now I'm going to do step 2, which says to, in a large skillet, to cook 1 pound of beef and onion over a medium heat until the beef is no longer pink, and to drain it. So we're going to take care of that right now. And that's what we're doing. We're browning that beef. It's 1 pound. I did the 80-20 blend. You can go ahead and just focus on the Food King, not on me. I did the 80-20 beef blend because we need a little bit of fat to keep our beef moist while we bake it in our lasagna. So although a 90-10 blend might be healthier for you, the 80-10 is going to give you better flavor. It's going to give you more moisture, and that's important because we're going to be baking this in a lasagna style pan later. We'll be coming back at you with more in a short bit.